Welcome back. Mapusa Court has extended police remand of rape-accused PSI Razashad Shaikh by 5 more days. A 19-year-old victim girl had alleged Razashad of raping her since January.
Mapusa police on Saturday produced suspended PSI Razashad Shaikh before the JMFC at Mapusa. Investigating officer pleaded to the court to extend his remand as his custodial interrogation is required. Accepting the plea, the court extended Razashad's remand till Thursday. Mother of a 19-year-old victim girl had filed a complaint alleging Razashad of raping her daughter since January this year. Razashad had surrendered before Mapusa police. Later, he was suspended from his duty. Meanwhile, the investigating team has received medical report of the victim. According to sources, medical reports suggest no recent sexual relation. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
And now a look at the other happenings around the state.
Continuing Professional Education Committee of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India held 2 days national conference. The conference aims at providing help to the local government in framing policies related to the industries.
We have carried out certain social program for social aspects also. We have conducted a training program for police department. We have conducted a program for enforcement directorate. We are coming up with a training program for service tax department also. We are running an ambitious program now about helping the local government. These 3 governments, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Goa. Helping means I am contributing, I can say, contributing to local government from our way to make a conducive atmosphere for industry.
Shashikant Shiva Charitable Trust felicitated students and teachers. They have completed a year of their contribution to the society.
Various government schemes like Ladli Lakshmi, Griha Aadhar scheme, हे लोकांच्या गरिबापर्यंत पावपाचो पूर्णपणे प्रयत्न केला कडेन आसा. ट्रस्ट करपाचो मेन हेतू म्हणजे जितले कोण गरीब आमचे सांगे वाठारांत जितले गरीब लोक आसा, जितले लोकांक कांय डिफिकल्टी आसा, सर्टिफिकेट मेळोवपाक, इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट जावं रेजिडेंस सर्टिफिकेट जावं त्यो तेंच्या दारा मेरेन पावोवपाचो हो पूर्ण तरेन आमचो यत्न चालू आसा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The youngsters from Kepe and Paroda will now get access to good quality football coaching courtesy of the Goa Football Development Council. The GFDC recently opened its 9th Grassroots Football Development Center at Pope John Paul High School in Kepe.
Around 200 children were present for the opening of the Football Development Center at Kepe. GFDC Chairman Dr. Rufino Montero believes some of these boys and girls can go on to become good footballers.
We have appointed already 5 coaches and we will see that we conduct this very well in this area, that is a predominantly tribal area. We got quite a good tough boys and girls who are physically tough, whom we expect to become good footballers in the days and in the years to come.
Kepe MLA Babu Kavadekar feels the new age Brunos and Brahmanans can emerge from his constituency.
ब्रह्मानंद संकवाळकर आणि आमचो जो ब्रुनो कुटिनो हाजे भाशेन जर भुरगे आमचे अनेक तयार जातले जाल्यार अशे पद्दतीचे कोचिंग कॅम्पाची अत्यंत गरज आसा आणि हे आज आमच्या मतदारसंघात सुरवात जाता. म्हणजे मतदारसंघात पोप जना बरोबरच आवेडे गांवांत 2 कडेन हे सुरवात जाता.
A reporter from Kepe, Mayur Naik.
If you have missed a bulletin, don't worry. If you have an Android-based phone, just download our app and watch the latest news from Goa whenever you want. Just go to Play Store and type Prudent. And with this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.